Political reporter Duncan Hayamba there. Of course, he's our man on the ground at the Lee Funeral Home. Now, it's time for us to read, to sample some of the messages of condolences that we are receiving. And Chief Justice David Maraga says, I have learnt with great sadness about the demise of Mr. Jonathan Moi, son of former President Daniel Arap Moi. Jonathan was well known as an outstanding rally driver in the heydays of the Safari Rally. May God give Mzee Moi and his family the fortitude to bear this heavy loss. Senator Mutula Kilonzo Jr. says, rest in peace, Jonathan Moi. Safari Rally enthusiasts will remember you and your famous Toyota Celica. Honorable William Kabogo says, my heartfelt condolences to the family of my late friend Jonathan Moi. May the good Lord console the family at this time of grief. Our special prayers goes to Mzee Moi to manage the loss of a son. Fare thee well, my friend. And Ken Lusaka there says, deeply saddened by the news of Jonathan Moi's passing, I am holding former President Daniel Arap Moi, Baringo Senator Gideon Moi, and the entire Moi family in my thoughts and prayers as they bear this loss. And the last one here from Sports CS, Dr. Amina Mohammed, who says, my sincere condolences to retired President Daniel Arap Moi, family and friends of the late Jonathan Moi. Jonathan was